How to use Shein app exclusive coupons. Let's get started. For that, open up Shein application and then sign in to your account. Now, app exclusive coupons are only available through the mobile app, so make sure you're not using the website. After that, you can simply tap on the Me section, then select My Coupons or Coupons. Now you will be able to find your available coupons. You can even find new coupons on the app homepage or during special promotions and event. Once you have added your favorite items to your cart, you can simply tap on checkout, and on the checkout page, you need to go ahead and simply tap on coupon and then select app exclusive coupons you would like to use. If your order meets the requirement for coupons, the discount will be applied automatically to your total. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.